Ever pondered the cataclysmic consequences of a large asteroid impacting Earth? Imagine a celestial body, larger than the largest mountain, hurtling towards our home planet at unimaginable speeds. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but a theoretical possibility that scientists grapple with. History tells us of such devastating events, like the one 66 million years ago that wiped out the dinosaurs. The enormity of the event is almost beyond comprehension. So, what precisely would transpire if such a catastrophic event were to occur today? Imagine an asteroid, tens of kilometers in diameter, plunging towards Earth at an incredible speed. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie, but a potential reality we must consider. As this colossal interstellar traveler makes its final approach, the atmosphere, usually our protective blanket, becomes a source of resistance, causing the asteroid to heat up and glow fiercely. Upon impact, it would release energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, leaving behind a crater many miles wide. The initial impact is just the start. A shockwave, radiating outwards faster than the speed of sound, would flatten everything in its path. Buildings, trees, everything would be swept away like dust in the wind. But the devastation doesn't stop there. The impact would hurl vast amounts of debris into the sky, blocking out the sun and plunging the world into darkness. This would trigger global firestorms, turning forests into ash and cities into infernos. And then the long winter begins. The sun, obscured by a thick layer of dust and smoke, can no longer warm our planet. Temperatures plummet and a nuclear winter sets in. This extreme cold, combined with the lack of sunlight, could lead to a mass extinction, similar to the one that wiped out the dinosaurs millions of years ago. The aftermath of such an event would be profound and irreversible. Life as we know it could be changed forever, reminding us once again of our fragile existence in the vast cosmos. In the wake of such a cataclysm, what would become of life on Earth? Well, the long-term effects of an asteroid impact are nothing short of drastic. The environment would undergo catastrophic changes, with wildfires raging and a nuclear winter following, as the debris thrown up into the atmosphere blocks out the sun. Ecosystems could collapse, leading to the extinction of numerous species, humanity included. Civilization as we know it would end, giving way to a struggle for survival in a drastically altered world. This paints a grim picture, but it underscores the importance of space research and vigilant monitoring for potentially hazardous objects. The dinosaurs weren't lucky enough to have such a warning system, but we do. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the will to prevent such a disaster. While the chances of such an event are slim, the consequences would be world-changing, a sobering reminder of our place in the cosmos.